Welcome to Cardinal Home Care, where exceptional home care in Arlington is our mission and passion. Our personal care in Arlington ensures that your loved ones receive the attentive and respectful assistance they need every day. At Cardinal Home Care, our companion care services in Arlington make everyday activities, like grocery shopping, both enjoyable and stress-free. Whether it's a relaxing car ride or an important appointment, our caregivers ensure safe and comfortable transportation. We believe in keeping seniors active and engaged. Our services include taking part in senior-friendly activities, ensuring a vibrant and fulfilling life. Our specialized dementia care in Arlington offers compassionate support for those living with memory loss, creating a safe and nurturing environment. With our 24-hour care in Arlington, you can have peace of mind knowing your loved ones are cared for around the clock. Experience the Cardinal Home Care difference. Our commitment is to provide the best Alzheimer's home care in Arlington, tailored to your loved one's needs. Contact us today.